All right, guys, another day, another update. Body no sweet me, but we go drop the update, sha. If I look around now, and I see where I sit down, and I see what's in there, seats blocked. Why? Now the reason why I carry this update come. When I know say aviation fuel don't they cost now, and the thing even follow they cause delays for flights. Good. Now, some of us will go buy ticket, enter aeroplane. Instead, we will go just sit down, JJ, enjoy the flight. Some go still sit down, enjoy the flight too. But in the course of their movement up and down, they go destroy something inside the aeroplane. When I know why these seats they blocked now. A simple thing, small thing. Now armrest. This armrest where they here, where they put hand? Now in break. How you take break? Now passengers then we buy tickets for this aeroplane, now then break out. Now see why I say body no they sweet me. You come, you sit down for flights. This armrest they here, this one they here, the one way they here. Some of us, especially those people who get body where they go carry all their weight when they want stand up. Now so you go see some of them, they go don't press the thing down, the armrest. Next thing go here, bah. As you do that, bah, they go do like say they no even see them. They go carry their bag, waka they go. My brothers, my sisters, this seat alone, no passenger go sit down for this seat. And this thing now, you know, be like motorcar. You go say, me, you go Ladip or go buy the pass, come fix and back. Now still abroad. Now still dollars. Custom go clear and everything. As you can see, only this one day here, it dey like another two for inside the aeroplane. Another two seats where they for back. Where they don't break this thing like that. So I dey beg una. Just like as we dey teach, they enlighten all of us about aviation. If you come, this armrest where they for the aeroplane, no be for you to carry all your weight, press and down. You go carry all your, we know say some people, their weights, they pain them on top the armrest. The next thing, bah, as it break, they use sellotape, holder. They can't come out them. As it breaks, they don't even come out them from here. So that the pieces no go injure person. So I dey beg una. Not be only for airpiece aeroplane, no. Every other airline for Niger, and so it be. So I dey beg una. If you enter aeroplane, handle them with care. Some of the things then where they very fragile. Not just for you to sit down, enjoy your flight, carry your arm, put on top. No be say may you carry your weight, sit down on top, or even press and go down. I dey beg una. In case if you enter any other aeroplane, next time, please just bear it in mind. Handle everything where you see inside the aeroplane with what? Care and softness. All right? So that the airlines then, they go fee stay long, make profit to sustain themselves. They fly us. Aeroplane no plenty for Nigeria. Oh. The few ones then where they, may we handle them with care so that the airlines then they go stay longer for all of us. All right? If you see this video, I beg, try, share them. Give your friends and well-wishers so that everybody go learn from them. I beg, I dey beg. I still remain your favorite captain, Captain Callistus, always. Cheers, guys.